Hello everyone, welcome to Magic Walk. Today we're going to make Kung Pao Chicken. Let's cut up chilies and take out all the seeds and set them aside. Mince the ginger. Dice the green onions. Separate white and the green parts. Set them aside. Cut chicken breast into bite size. Season chicken with salt, cooking wine, white ground pepper, add 2 tablespoons of beaten egg and cornstarch. Mix them well and set them aside. Combine 2 tablespoons of cooking oil with Sichuan peppercorn. Braise peppercorns with 2 tablespoons of oil with white parts of the onions, 2 chili peppers in very low heat until aromatic. It would take about 5 minutes. Be careful do not burn peppercorns, otherwise the oil would taste bitter. After 5 minutes, take them out and drain them well. Save the oil and discard the rest. Add back in the oil you just drained. Saute chicken in medium-high heat until they are fully cooked. After chickens are fully cooked, take them out and set them aside. In the same wok, with medium-high heat, add in our homemade chili oil. I would put the link down below. Add in minced gingers, dried chili peppers, saute them until aromatic. Add in ketchup, saute them for a few seconds. Then add in green onions. Add in chickens, mix them well. Add in soy sauce and sesame oil. Taste your food. See if you need to add some more salt. Mix them well, and your Kung Pao chicken is done. You may want to add peanuts at the end, but it is optional.